Virtual reality, VR, has been making its way into various industries, and the music industry is no exception. From creating immersive music videos to enhancing live performances, VR has the potential to revolutionize the way we experience and interact with music. In this video, we will explore the impact of VR on the music industry and how it has been used in different areas of the industry. Firstly, we will look at how VR has been used to create immersive music videos that allow fans to experience a new level of engagement with their favorite artists. With VR technology, fans can be transported to virtual worlds and interact with the music video in new ways. We will discuss some of the most notable examples of VR music videos and how they have been received by fans. Secondly, we will discuss how VR has been used in live performances. From virtual concerts to enhancing the concert experience, VR has the potential to change the way we attend concerts. We will look at some of the most innovative uses of VR in live music and how they have impacted the industry. Thirdly, we will explore how VR has been used in music education. With VR technology, students can learn how to play instruments, understand music theory, and even experience different music genres in a more immersive way. We will discuss some of the most notable examples of music education through VR and the potential it has for the future. Lastly, we will look at the impact of VR on the music industry as a whole. We will discuss how it has changed the way music is produced, marketed, and distributed. We will also explore some of the challenges and limitations that come with using VR in the music industry and what the future might hold. In conclusion, VR has the potential to transform the way we experience and interact with music. From creating immersive music videos to enhancing live performances, the possibilities are endless. As the technology continues to develop and become more accessible, we can expect to see even more innovative uses of VR in the music industry. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the impact of technology on various industries.